In this video, I want to show you how to customize the action button, this button right over here on your iPhone 17 and 17 Pro. So this can be used for many different things. First thing to do is to, unlock your phone. You're going to go on settings, go down, and you're going to get action button right over here. Tap on this. And now you can swipe through different options. So by default, it's silent mode, on and off. And then you have focus mode. You can launch the camera, although camera is not very useful because you also have a camera button over here that when you click, it launches the camera. So there's no much point to have two of them. Then you have visual intelligence, flashlight. I think this is what most people will choose to use it. Voice memo, and at the end of this pretty long list, you also have shortcuts, which could be great because you can launch any apps on your phone. So if I click shortcut over here and open app, you can choose any apps that you have currently on your iPhone to be launched at the press of this button. So this could be useful, especially if you're going to use an app many times during your day. But over here in shortcuts, you can do a shortcut almost to anything. So you can, let's say, call somebody in particular when press this, set a timer. It's really up to you. And you can also set it to no action in case you absolutely don't need that button and you don't want to mispress it at some point. So this is it. Once you've found what you want, you just have to leave it in that position. So let's say controls over here, I want to launch the calculator. So let me just demonstrate. Here we go, it launched the calculator. Now it's important to know that you need to keep that button pressed during at least a second. If you simply tap on it, nothing will happen. As you see, hold to open. You see, nothing is happening. If I keep it pressed 1 second, then whatever I choose to go there will be on the display. So this is just something to keep in mind. And if you press it again, you see, once that action has been made, nothing will happen. I really wish Apple will make it so that when you double click, it opens another thing. But right now, only one function for that button. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.